Greetings, pirates. Today I want to tell you how to use the Watch Wallet feature, using the example of how to track a pirate's treasures. We open the P.CASH website. On the P.CASH website, we find the pirate. You can either click directly on the recommendations or enter pirate in the search to find our style. On this page, we find the treasure. Now it's already visible that 110,000 pirates are available on the treasures, but I will show you how to use the Watch Wallet feature in the P.CASH app. We open treasure. Here we see the address, which we will copy. But now I want to tell you a little about the treasures. To find the treasures, you need to guess 24 words. Each word can have 2048 variations, and the full list of words that can be used, you can by clicking on the button View Full List. Next, here you can find the coins. Each coin is an ordinal instead of a seed phrase. Plus, each coin has a project history, meaning you can calculate why each coin was issued. There will be 24 such coins. Now let's move on. Open this link and copy this address for monitoring. Switch to the P.CASH mobile app. Press the down arrow and select the Watch Wallet option. In the Watch Wallet address, we will write the name of the wallet. We will write treasure in this field, which needs to insert the address, meaning if you don't have the private key you want to monitor, press the address that is in our admin buffer. This is the address of our wallet. Press the watch button next. Press the watch button, then select Binance Smart Chain and press the done button. Our balance was automatically fetched. That is, now it's $24.54. At this address, you see the wallet, meaning the pirate's address, and you can see that the remaining 28 pirates are unpaid. Next, you can see that there is Zonder 5, BNB. This is needed so that when you guess the seed phrase, you can extract the information. Now let's consider the watch only mode. That is, you see the address, you can watch how transactions for staking came in or other operations. If this is not our treasure address, it can be any address you found on the internet. There is also the information on staking details, meaning for this contract, you can see that 111,000 pirates have been accrued. 11,000 pirates we have already earned because the initial amount we buried was 100,000. So 11,000 were mined over the year. Next, you see the paid out balance. The balance is paid out every 100 pirates at 11 a.m. UTC. And here you can see the calculated percentage. The percentage indicates that the pirate, he gives 11% annually. On the graph, you can see how the accruals occurred and what the balance was. And you can see how pirates are accrued every hour. You can also see the payouts we done in this list. This is how the Watch Wallet function works. Plus, you can keep track of the pirate treasure, so you don't have to worry about missing out. And you have the opportunity to find the treasures buried by the main pirate. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.